Well, hello, class. I want to welcome you all to ORLD 2700. This class is Human Resources and Personnel Management. I'm so excited that you have decided to enroll in this class. Again, my name is Justin Lacey, and I will be your instructor this semester. I am a full-time employee here at SLU. I am the director of the Office of Institutional Equity and Diversity. I'm over in Duberg Hall, room 243. So if you ever need to meet with me in person, that's where my office is located. I've also included my office phone number as well in case you ever need to schedule a meeting with me. So I just returned to SLU in August of 2022 from working at a couple other universities, but when I have 2 degrees from SLU. I received my MBA from here at SLU in 2009 and my JD, my law degree, in 2013. And when I graduated with my law degree in 2013, I came to work here at SLU full-time as a human resources consultant in the Office of Human Resources. I left SLU, went to a couple other places, went to UMSL, went to Oklahoma State University, as well as the University of Illinois. But in August of last year, I returned back here to SLU. And can't tell you how excited I am to be back at SLU here full-time. So. The textbook for this semester will be, it's on your syllabus, but it's by Noah Hollenbeck, Gerhardt, and Wright. It's called Human Resource Management, Gaining a Competitive Advantage, the 12th edition. So make sure you have a copy. Again, if you have a hardback or a digital, it doesn't matter to me. Both are acceptable. So if you can, try to make sure to get the 12th edition because, again, that's most of what I will reference will come from the 12th edition. So make sure that you get a copy of that. So. And again, we only have 8 short weeks together, but again, I think, what you're going to learn in these 8 weeks is going to follow you your entire career, no matter what field you go into, whether you become a doctor, a lawyer, an airline pilot, or you go to work for any company doing finance, marketing, accounting. No matter what you do, what you're going to learn this semester will follow you for your entire career, because no matter what job you have to know about compensation concepts. You have to know how to recruit new employees. You have to know about benefits. You have to know about the labor situation and how employee relations govern our relationship. There's so many different concepts of HR that are relevant to no matter what job you take, which is why I think it's so critical for you to take a class like this so you can truly understand and see the value that a class like this has on your working life. So again, welcome. It's a very interactive class. We do several different things. The readings will be posted each week for you, primarily out of the textbook, but I may add some additional readings here and there. There is one exam, only one, so you don't have to worry about that to the very last week of the semester. We do have a research paper that we do, and again, more details will be posted about that here in the first week or two. And then we do a lot of discussion boards and those types of assignments here in this class. And again, I'll explain each week the details of it. But again, make sure that you pay particular attention to those, and make sure you check the announcement sections at least once or twice a week, because I post a lot of information in the announcement sections. New modules will open every Monday morning. I post new stuff every Monday, so make sure, especially first thing Monday morning, and then usually Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, I usually post something else. So make sure throughout the week that you're checking those. And again, if you do send me an email or a message, I will respond within 24 hours during the week. If it's on the weekend, I will do my best to respond within 48 hours. So, but as best you can, try not to, if an assignment's due at midnight, make sure you don't send an email at 11:59, because I probably won't see it till the next morning. So just keep that in mind as we go throughout the semester. But again, welcome to this class. I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's going to be a great semester together. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks, everyone.